and we want to inform everyone that we are organizing for DG Shipping this program, and it is for all Indian seafarers, both serving the merchant navy and cruise ships. The theme of the event is Seafarers Connect, Hum Saath Saath Hain, and Goa has been selected first among 13 coastal states for this program. The event will be held at Ravindra Bhavan Margaon Hall from 10 a.m. onwards on the 3rd of February. And Goa takes great pride. We have more than 9,000 seafarers serving in various capacities worldwide in merchant navy and cruise liners. Goa Maritime Officers Association invites and welcomes all seafarers and their families from Goa to participate in a dialogue with the Director General of Shipping. So, Captain Daniel Joseph, Deputy Director General of Shipping, he has additional charge of crewing branch. So, he will be coming and will lead the event and address various topics and discuss mental well-being on ships, and the interaction aims to tackle very important issues. One is stress and mental well-being. So seafarers face tremendous stress at work. There are a lot of issues with competitive market conditions, onboard harassment, complex regulations, international conflicts, piracy attacks, leading to increased case of depression and mental health challenges. Seafarers' suicides are on the rise, and it's high time this important issue is tackled. A helpline where seafarers can voice their grievances confidentially without fear of losing jobs is necessary. Another important issue is seafarers sign on, sign off and show leave problems in ports. Seafarers encounter challenges with sign on, sign off procedures and show leave in Indian ports and are still not recognized as key workers providing essential services. Restrictions and complexities in this process have become significant issues affecting their well-being, and also mindless security measures and COVID-19 restrictions which are still in force, the freedom of seafarers to go ashore has been curtailed. One important issue which needs clear guidelines from the government is the issue of Goan brothers who have changed their nationality, either Portuguese or other nationalities, and they are finding it difficult to renew their certification and examination. So this is creating problems for them to get employment. So clear government guidelines is one of the issues which will be taken up by the Deputy Director General of Shipping. In Goa, we have also other maritime challenges. Goan seafarers contribute significantly to the economic prosperity of Goa, but they face a lot of problems due to lack of full-fledged mercantile marine department in Goa, which caters to examinations and certification, issuance of continuous discharge certificate, and biometric seafarers identity cards, which is ratified by International Labour Organization and is required now to enter countries. And already Brazil, they are not going from 1st of May 2024. They need this BSID, which is called Biometric Seaman's Identification Document, for seafarers entering their ports. So there's delay in this, and a lot of seafarers are unable to join the ships on time. For devalidation certificates, we don't have a full-fledged LMD, so we have to go to Mumbai, Chennai, and other big towns and cities where this work is done. One major issue concerning seafarers right now is piracy attacks, and now this Houthi attacks, which is like a full-fledged war. And in the Red Sea, ships are being attacked by drones and missiles. Innocent seafarers are subject to bodily harm, mental torture and stress. Such related incidents of hijacking, piracy attacks, war zone sailings have increased manifold in recent times, threatening maritime safety and security. Many a times there are problems with some companies where wages and contracts are not properly issued. Seafarers are facing wage duping, contract violations and abandonment issues and feeling helpless without sufficient support from governments, unions and regulators. So this event, it marks an inaugural occurrence of this event where the Director General of Shipping's office is effectively addressing and engaging with seafarers and seafaring community on these critical matters. It is crucial for us to demonstrate our support and unity to facilitate a swift resolution. So we have a distinguished guest who will be attending the event. Our chief guest will be Honorable Union Minister of State and for Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Shri Shripad Naik. Guest of honor will be the Honorable NRI Commissioner, Advocate Naren Savekar. And we have called a special guest, Captain Benzi Viegas, a Master Mariner and MLA of Benolim constituency. Also, we'll be having representatives of the Maritime Union of India, Captain Tushar Pradhan, the General Secretary, and from the NUSI, which is the National Union of Seafarers of India, Mr. Milind Kandalgaonkar.